Replace your wiper blades. It's easy to know when your blades should be replaced. Just press the washer button and see if your blades wipe. If they streak, they're toast. The auto parts store will have many economical blades, but go with one brand instead: Anko, Trico or Bosch. They cost more than economical blades, but their rubber wipes of better quality, have better UV protection, and last longer. Follow the installation instructions on the package. Make sure you have a firm grip on the wiper arm once you remove the old blade. If it goes away from you, it can hit the windshield with sufficient force to break it. Check tire pressure every month. Always use the same pressure gauge and check the air pressure right away in the morning, not after you've driven on them or they've been sitting in the hot sun. Inflate to the pressures listed on the carmaker's decal, on the driver's door or jam, not the maximum pressure listed on the tire. The recommended tire pressure is based on the weight of your particular vehicle, not the tire brand or tread style. Find out all you need to know about tires, especially how often they need to be rotated. Clear up cloudy headlights. Clear your fogged or yellowed headlight lenses in 15 minutes for less than $5, rather than spending more than $100 to replace them. Mix toothpaste with baking soda and evenly rub it onto the headlight's surface. Let it dry, and then wipe it off using a soft wet cloth. Your headlights will be clearer than before, and you'll be set for the next few night errands. Find and replace a blown fuse. Cars run on electricity as well as gas, and almost all of it runs through fuses. Learn where they are, how to spot a blown fuse, and how to replace them. It takes about 5 minutes, costs about $1, and it'll save you the hassle of a trip to the repair shop. Fast tire changes with an electric impact wrench. In less time than it takes your air compressor to pump up to full pressure, you could remove the lug nuts from 2 wheels using an electric impact wrench. Sure, the electric models don't pack the same torque as an air-powered wrench, but you don't need that much torque just to remove lug nuts. Just make sure you use a handheld torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Checking your engine oil. Motor oil is the bloodstream that keeps your car running smoothly. Checking and filling your motor oil regularly is therefore essential to make sure your car remains happy, healthy and on the road. If you need to top it up, the recommended oil can be found in your vehicle handbook. Step 1, park on flat ground and ensure your engine is turned off and cool. Step 2, pull the lever to open your bonnet, often found under the dash, release the latch and support it. Step 3, find the dipstick, it has a brightly colored handle, and pull it out. Step 4, wipe with a clean cloth, put all the way back in and remove again. Step 5, if the oil falls between the notches, it's fine. If it falls below the first notch, this means you need to top up. Step 6, make sure you use the correct oil for your car, this can be identified in your handbook. Step 7, unscrew the filler cap, it has the engine oil symbol on it, and pour in the oil using a funnel. Step 8, keep checking the level with the dipstick to avoid spillages and replace the filler cap once full. Step 9, drop the bonnet back down carefully. Check your air filter. Your engine's air filter is what regulates the air that flows into your engine and helps keep out debris and particulate. By making certain that your air filter is flowing properly, you can improve your fuel efficiency, decrease your emissions, and help ensure the life of your engine. This can be done easily at home, so check your owner's manual for instructions and how often it needs to be changed.